So
Yes.
might be there they will get extra advantages if they
Yeah,
have
definitely.
efficiency.
You should have English knowledge because someone comes in your hospital and they suppose they start speaking English. If you don't know, then managing it would be very difficult, isn't
Yes,
it?
definitely,
You
definitely.
then
And
you can.
I want to share one story about myself. Before few days earlier, I had people who came to visiting our hospitals. He was a
Mm,
donor and he is from UK. And there is no one in my hospital able to speak in English language. And I said to that person, you can ask me any kind of question about my hospitals, and I am going to give you all kind of answers that you need. And I was able to communicating with that persons. But if I was not there, might be they should hire a person who is speaking English language. So I helped my organizations, and
mhm.
I was
Yeah.
making communication with the foreign countries people. So you can get advantages like that process.
Mhm. Okay, that's great because you knew English language. That's why you can say you handled everything.
Yep.
Okay,
So
and,
I
and
have some questions for you, bro. How many days have you been practicing your English language?
yeah, actually, I have been practicing English language for last 8 month.
Last 8 months. You have been practicing your English language last 8 months, but still you're facing lots of difficulties in your speaking part. So what you can do,
But
probably you are not going through
no,
the right
mm,
process. Listen to me carefully. What I am talking about, might be you are going through the wrong process of your English journey. You should follow some convenient, easy, and effective ways in order to make your English language quickly beginning to intermediate level or intermediate level to advanced levels. So what you can do, I will give you one very crucial recommendation, crucial advice and suggestion, whatever you can say it. I will give you one tips that you can
okay,
use in your daily life all the time. You don't need to make any effort for it. You should have a earbud that you can put on in your ears,
okay,
and you can download some free English videos from YouTube, English podcast or audiobooks.
okay.
And what you can do, listens English podcast all the time. Maybe you are doing a job, you are moving somewhere else, you are doing this, you are doing that. No matter whatever you're doing, you have to listen English podcast all the time, which you understand most probably more than 19% word. And other
Mhm,
10% you have to guess what they are talking about. You know,
mhm.
and these things will help you lot to immerse yourself with English language, to respond quickly English language from your mouth. And these things you should follow to make your environment in English language. In order to learn English language like a child, that's how you have learned your own language. You do not need to go anywhere else. You have learned your own language by listening, by making your environment in that language. you know, so never ever try to learn English books, textbooks, or articles, and so many different kind of boring things. But the one important and interesting thing that you can do for yourself, listening English podcast all the
Okay.
time, which is
Mhm.
very easy and convenient, and you can
Okay.
understand.
Yeah, I understood, and I have one question for you that how much grammar is important in order to learn English.
I would say first of all you should learn sentence, tense, and right form of verb. Sometimes prepositions. Sometimes in more advanced English language you can learn articles and voice. Those things is enough to become advanced in English language. You don't need to know any other things. But if you want to make more English language more beauty than that, you can go through other complicated rules or other complicated grammars. but
Okay, so how
those
many
are
hours? How many
necessary.
hours do you listen? How many hours
Sorry,
listen
I'm getting cold.
postcast? How many hours do you listen postcast English cartoon?
English cartoon is going to help you because I would say most of the time, English cartoon listening the kids. Cartoon is made for kids, so
Yes.
definitely their English is so
Mhm.
easy to understand. But if you are beginner at your English language, you can watching cartoons and you can see cartoons in order to enhance your speaking part, in order to enhance your comprehension about English language.
I'm asking
It's going
you
to be
that
effective.
how many hours do you listen, you know, English content? How many hours do you listen?
I when I first started learning English language, at that time I was listening English podcast all the time. I would say when I go to bed for sleep, most probably I get 20 minutes to fall asleep completely. You know,
Okay.
whenever you on the bed, you are
Huh?
preparing yourself for sleep. Before sleep, probably you will get 20 minutes, and at that time I didn't waste. I used to listening English podcast because I knew listening English podcast is going to very helpful for me in order to make my environment in English language. And
Yeah.
whenever I wake up in the morning, but before get up, I used to listen English podcast 20 minutes. Whenever I'm moving with my friends, playing game, and doing so many more things, whenever I get time, whenever I get opportunity to listening English podcast, at that time I was so mad with English language. At that time, I was so curious about English language, and I was finding so many different kind of ways. That's how I could learn English language effectively, easily, and I have to learn it anyhow, you know. And I tried so many things, and most probably I don't know the exactly how many hours I was listening English podcast, but I was trying to listen English podcast all the time before I became master of it.
And I can
Before I
say
familiarize all
that,
of those new sentences.
and I can say that, you have, improved your English.
Yep.
Okay. With hard work, and after doing hard work, you are able to speak English. You are capable to understand English, isn't it? Okay.
Yes,
So,
definitely. You have to do hard work. Exactly. You are telling the right things. I would say you are a
okay.
great person. You
What is
probably older than mine, but still you are learning English language. These things help me a lot to encouraging myself, to motivating myself. You are doing
okay? So
great for yourself. I have seen so many people they are wasting their time, but you make use your time in a proper way.
have you been learning English?
Sorry, what did you say?
How long have you been learning English?
It's been more than 4 years, I would say. I have to say that I have been learning English language more than 4 years. Still, I am learning. Still, I am facing challenges in my speaking part.
Hmm.
Still, I facing some problem. I am struggling a lot to understand native English speakers sometimes, but there is no problem. I understand more than 19% what they are talking about, but I am I want to make my English language more fluent, more natural, like native English speaker. So that's why I am practicing my English language all the time.
Definitely, you can. I can tell you to honestly, you can make, because if you have a strong goal, if you have dedication, if you have punctuality, definitely. And if you are going to reach your destination, so you can reach. Nobody, stop you, and no one can stop you, because you have a strong goal, isn't it?
Yes, definitely, absolutely right. You're a right
Every
person.
every day,
You are a great person, I have to say.
yeah. After that, we can improve
You will be
everything.
successful one
Whatever
day.
we know, whatever we want, okay, we can achieve anything, because we have ability to speak English. Okay, we have ability to do something, isn't it?
Yes,
So we can
definitely. You are right
make it
things. Nothing is impossible for the people. People is doing all of those things around the world.
only practice make you perfect. Nobody makes nobody makes you perfect. Lots of
Yes,
people say,
definitely.
online class, and I will take granted, then I will teach you all thing within a 3 month, within a 4 month. But it is totally wrong, bro.
Yes,
You know,
definitely. It's totally wrong, but
I don't,
it's completely
I don't.
about it will be possible if you have dedications both at the same time, your teacher and your students. If they tried hard, both people, that will be definitely possible because learning English language after 4 months later is not a big deal.
Yeah,
And
1 year
learning
ago,
you have to give enough time to your English language.
1 years ago, I was not able to speak English. I was not aware, grammar at all. Okay, so what I did, I purchased one grammar book. Okay. And
Yes,
I try to learn. I try to learn, grammar. And I learned grammar, first of all, present, past, future, condition models. Okay. And
yes.
at that time, I did not have any application. So I installed. After that, whatever I knew that time, I tried to, practice with co-learner.
I
Isn't
got you.
it?
So, how old are you, my friend? I'm very
Yeah.
wondering to know about your age. How old are you?
Okay. 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 Actually, I'm already 34. I am 34 years old.
34 years old, but you are still learning English language. So, what do you do for living? What is your profession? So I have to know about it.
Yeah, definitely. It's very interesting question that, I'm in the
Yes.
Kuwait, okay, and I want to change my job.
You are in the Kuwait, so that's why probably it's very crucial for you to learn English language in order to communication with different kinds of people. In Kuwait.
Yeah, I want to change my job as well as, I want to open my own business in the Kuwait. So that's why, if you are businessman, if you will go there in anywhere, don't, you will have to speak English.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. English language very, very necessary for the businessman. Okay,
Yes,
that's why
definitely.
learning English, and I hope you can say uh, improve my English within some month.
Yes, definitely. Best of luck for my friend. Best of luck for your future. And definitely the dedication that I have seen and that I can watch in yourselves, definitely you will be successful. You will be rich and in your desirable goal that you want.
Okay, thank
Best
you,
of
thank
luck
you
to
so.
yourselves. You told me just earlier you are 34 years old. Still you are learning English language. You are so dedicated persons, I have to say. So try to enhance your English fluency evidence each and every day. And the tips that I gave you just recently, you can follow those tips as well. Those things will help you a lot in order to enhancing your English ability. You know, your understanding, your speaking part, all of those things.
Mm.
Because speaking is comes from listening, and the more you listen English podcast, the more you're able to understand native English speakers, the more you're able to respond quickly English language from your mouth. These two main important things is very crucial for effective communication with other people. So you can follow these one important things in order to make your English language more advanced than now. And magically, one thing will be happen after 1 month later, you will be appeared to see the how big enhancement you have made for yourself without making an effort. You don't need to learn English grammar books. You don't
Mhm.
need to read any other things. You can learn English language like a child whenever you listen English podcast all the time. So
Yeah,
try to use these
have
things
to
in
listen.
yourself. And best
We
of
have.
luck for your time, my friends, and hope we will have a great communication later. So thank you very much.
Okay,
Feel
okay.
free to ask me
Thank
any kind of
you.
question further. If you need any
Thank.
kind of help further, feel free to ask me. Okay, feel free to text me. Feel free to call me anytime, whenever you need it. Okay, I will be definitely along with your journey,
Okay, okay.
your
Definitely,
English journey.
I if I am.
So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you so